I got the Blade Mcpx out with the fiberglass canopy, and then I've got the MicroHeli head parts, MicroHeli blades, tail and back. I kept an original landing gear. It works a lot better. Doesn't break as easy. I don't know why they decided on carbon fiber for the skids. Skids, they should just be nylon. They could be nice fancy shape like the carbon, but they need to be something that's going to flex so without breaking. Added my own extra anti-rotation bracket in the back too. I'm just using the stock frame because it doesn't break as easy as the carbon, so there you go. A little bit breezy out. Nice being able to see it with the orange blades though. Try to bring it in closer. Oops, hit the ground. But no damage, I don't think, so. Might need to put the canopy back on, looks good, okay. Try it again. Still looks pretty good, okay. Probably fine with a little bit more time. Okay, we'll bring it in. It tends to tip over when you land it. All good.